Well, I'll tell you, wind will be the bigger issue today, even a bigger issue than the temperatures. Colorado River Valley especially, look at that. Down south, north to south flow, keeping things windy. Starting today, wind advisory, 10 a.m., which will go through tomorrow at about 2 p.m. 20, 30 mile per hour winds, sustained winds, but gusts to 45. Across the valley, we're still anticipating winds picking up, as we've kind of heard in a few areas that they already are. And we'll likely see that throughout the morning and afternoon hours. So the rest of the morning, let's say. 13 mile per hour winds, Anthem 25 by 10 a.m. You can see then, of course, later on in the early afternoon hours, we're still seeing those double-digit wind speeds. Enterprise checking in, but some other areas like Summerlin, you folks there getting some stronger wind later on this afternoon. 17 mile per hour winds later on even this evening for Centennial Hills, but other areas start to calm down, so that north to south flow only affects a few areas, and then really we don't see much across the valley beyond that. So that's exactly what we've been watching, and we'll continue to track it for you as we get through the rest of the forecast. So you can just kind of get an idea of what we're dealing with. Today, I'll tell you, a banner day. Temperatures do cool down a little bit. So we dropped down into the 70s. We saw mostly 80s yesterday and the day before. So we'll probably see mostly 70s this weekend, but there'll be some areas that'll be in the 80s. Here's your next 7. Upper 70s we'll have to do for the entire weekend, but that's okay. We don't mind that so much, right? It's the middle 80s that are making a comeback, along with the upper 80s to near 90 by Tuesday. And then we'll see those temperatures drop down quite a bit back into the 70s by this coming weekend.
Thanks, Brian.